Hey guys, it's Chris Knight. Just finished up doing 6 tracks in one day. Never been here before. Here we are back at the gas pump. We're about to fuel this man's bike up once again. How many tanks is this today? What, 2?
This is 2.
2 tanks? 2 tanks.
Hey cutie. Come here often?
Not really, what about you? Dude, this thing is hot. It's like, gas is hot. I don't think I've ridden this much in a day before. Ever. In a week. Oh! Ow! Dude! What happened? You slammed on the... I was going up to a red light. No, man, I'm not cleaning it.
Get some lunch. Good old Shalotsky's.
Lunchtime.
Oh. Yeah? You want me to help you out?
No.
I got it.
No, you help them out.
They did a full prep on this track because we asked them if we could come ride for this Texas tour thing that we're doing right now.
What?
They did a really good job. This thing's full prep and it looks nasty.
Dude, it looks sick.
It looks nasty. Dude, it's so crazy to have these like insane facilities and only like what? There's 2 RVs here? Like look at this track. That's ridiculous.
Last time I came here was like 2018, and that was never there. That whole front section, all this was just woods. Shout out to South Central for doing a full prep. Is it the heat that I'm feeling from Savannah or just outside? Appreciate the full prep, that's sick.
Yeah, bro, yeah. And the moisture was here too, so
it was
good, man. $30, I'll get you some change, bro.
No, that's fine. You can keep the 40.
Thank you.
Okay.
Goes to the track, man.
Oh yeah. Gotta support the local tracks, right?
Yeah.
South Central out here.
Dude, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a little wet, but Texas just had this huge rain come in, and I mean, this is my first time out here. I've heard a lot about the place over the years, and I mean, just look at this crazy facility. I mean, they got 4 or 5 different tracks, and we're the only people out here right now. Like, that's insane. Like, these places in Texas, what we've really seen today. I mean, I've been to most of these tracks a couple times, and just seeing this, it's kind of, you know, it's kind of sad and worrisome because there's so much heart and there's so much people putting in a ton of effort, all for dirt bikes, just to get, you know, not a lot of love. And that's kind of what we're doing today, is just showing off what Texas has to offer. And it's not really so much about the riding or how hard you can go, it's just get on your dirt bike.
Yeah, one thing I've noticed since I've been out here personally is just there's like a deep love for motocross out here in Texas. Like, these dudes prep this entire place just for us to come out and rip a few laps for a video, you know what I mean? Like, there's not many guys and many places in the world that would do that. So there's definitely some motocross roots here in Texas, and I hope it grows, man. I think it's a great place for moto.
Physically, I'm pretty good. I ate, a little tired, really hot. It's really hot right now, but I can survive. We got, what, 3 more?
3 more, yeah.
3 more, yeah. I can survive. I'll be good.
We just left South Central, and we are 2 hours across Dallas to get to the other side so we can ride this half of the tracks before sundown. It's looking like OAKHILL right now, then straight to Village for some night practice. So we'll see how everything goes.
What do we got going on here?
Everyone got to eat in the car, but I'm too busy driving, so just take a minute to eat my Popeyes. Track got a little bit of rain yesterday, so it's a little rough right now, but Pierce is gonna make it work.
Okay.
Nonetheless.
Sweet.
Yeah. Looking a little flat, but I mean, that's what happens when you ride. Dude, we're trying to talk.
It just fell out.
Your suitcase fell.
Is it really flat? Oh, it's flat.
But you got this.
That was nice. That was good.
Really impressive. It's been a long day.
It's been a long f***ing day.
Sorry. The heat is getting to me.
How we feeling?
Tired.
Yeah?
Long day. This is what, stop 5. The Texas heat is really getting to me out here. And I'm fading, folks. Go, Seth. Go.
So obviously the track isn't, you know, crazy or anything right now. I mean, shit, a couple days ago at Shred Tour, it was unbelievable. But I mean, rain came through last night and there's nothing we could do. It's unexpected, but nonetheless, I mean, we're just here to ride dirt bikes and just get much time on the bike and just have a whole lot of fun.
Track is sick, honestly. About the same layout as Shred Tour. I could still ride it even with all the rain we dealt with last night. Perfect dirt still. Having a blast, you know, that having us out here. They could have said no, even with all the rain. So, shout out to OAKHILL, letting us come right out here and had a blast. On to the next one. Said OAKHILL Shred Tour got gnarly. I loved it.
And how was the track then? I mean, obviously it wasn't like this, right?
Track was a lot better. I mean, it was fully prepped, dug, perfect amount of water. It's an overall fun track to be at for the weekend.
And how would you describe this track?
Very flowy, a lot of jumps, a lot of sections to breathe over, sweepers, pretty much a lot of sand. If you don't like sand, then you're gonna have to deal with it, but I love this track.
Awesome, thank you. Here we go, Village Creek.
Boom. What's the move out here? Where are we parking?
I don't know, dude. The last time I was here was about 4 or 5 years ago, and I'm just super excited to see all these people out here, dude. There's a ton of little kids just ripping the mini track, and you know, it's the last stop of the day, and kind of sad it's over, if I'm being honest. It's a big adrenaline rush running around with the camera, and
Man, are you gonna shed a tear right now?
oh, dude, maybe. But we're gonna get one last good session in and just enjoy the night practice and get some good shots.
Yeah, so we're at stop number 6, Village Creek, somewhere else in Texas. I'm still not sure where I am. This place looks sick. It's got a cool looking night track. A lot of people out here, so hopefully we'll get some other dudes ripping in this, having some fun, and maybe PK here can show them how it's done. I gotta pee.
Hey, what would you? I think we need a shred tour here.
Yeah. Last stop, track number, what, 6?
6?
Never been here either. I think this is the 3rd or 4th track now that I've never been to.
Really?
Yeah, that just proves how big the Texas community is with all these tracks. Track looks pretty sweet, actually. Fully prepped, a lot of jumps, flowy. Kind of looks like an outdoor supercross track, but I'm excited to go rip it.
What do you think?
I need to pee.
You're just a girl of few words, aren't you?
You're practicing. Yeah,
VurbMoto.
Yeah. Where you going? There he goes, runs in heights. He's the one riding.
Can y'all get videos of me?
Yeah.
Of course, dude.
120.
120? Okay, we got you.
Hey guys, it's Chris Knight. Just finished up doing 6 tracks in one day. Why we did it?
Yeah.
Just, I don't know. I think we wanted to see how many tracks we could hit in one day, and we did 6. Our goal was 8. Some of us didn't reach out to us, but that's completely fine. I'm tired. I think the experience was great. I've never done something like this before. Haven't done this much riding ever. So it was a great opportunity. Shout out to vurbmoto and everyone who helped us out. All the track people. Just a great experience overall.
Yeah. All right. So here, back up a little bit. Yeah. What are we talking about? Camera setup here. Run me through it.
Camera setup. I'm running this.
I ripped my shorts off.